In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and configure interactive elements to your web page, which can significantly enhance the user experience on your site. We're going to walk through the process of adding a button, linking it to the top of the page, pinning it for easy access, and ensuring it appears consistently across all pages. Let's get started. First, direct your attention to the left side of the editor, where you will notice an Add Elements button. This button is typically represented by a plus sign, making it easy to locate. Click on it to reveal a menu teeming with various elements you can incorporate into your design. Here's where the fun begins. Scroll to the Button or Decorative section, where you'll find options like buttons, vector art, or arrows. Whether you're looking to add simple navigational tools or decorative flair, this area has you covered. Choose what suits your purpose best. And then comes the simple task of dragging and dropping this element directly onto your page, precisely where you want it. Next, let's bring some interactivity to that button. Click to select the button you've just added, and then find the link icon. It's shaped like a chain, symbolizing connectivity and navigation. Upon selecting it, you're presented with several options. For our purposes today, we're focusing on navigating within the page. Choose the top bottom of page option, then decide whether you want the navigation to direct to the top or bottom of the page. For this example, select top and ensure to click Done to save this setting. Moving on, let's make sure that wherever your visitors are on the page, this button remains accessible. You'll do this by pinning the button to the screen. Begin by right-clicking the button, then select Pin to Screen from the drop-down menu that appears. This action opens a settings menu. Here, you can choose precisely where on the screen you want your button to reside. A common choice is the bottom right corner, but the decision is yours based on what works best for your layout. To refine the button's positioning, utilize the horizontal and vertical offset sliders. These tools allow you to fine-tune the position to perfection, ensuring that the button does not intrude on essential elements of your design, but is still easily reachable for your visitors at any time. Lastly, to ensure a seamless experience across your site, you'll want this button to appear on all pages. Once again, right-click the button. You'll find a toggle option labeled Show on All Pages. Enable this to allow the button to replicate itself across all the pages of your site, giving consistency and ease of use to your visitors, regardless of where they navigate. With these steps, you've created a functional, user-friendly button that enhances navigability and improves the overall experience for those visiting your site. Don't hesitate to revisit these adjustments until everything feels just right. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.